Here's a 2017 Nissan Titan Crew Cab S model, 42,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax in gray. Good looking truck here, pretty basic in the equipment, but nice price point for a full-size truck, especially in today's market. So as we kind of make a trip around this truck, let's take a look at what we got. It does have halogen headlamps and does have the integrated fog lights in the lower bumper fascia. See, we have a blacked out grille and blacked out lower bumper. Gives it some contrast against the gray. It looks good. Coming around to the side, we do have your standard 17-inch steel wheels here. Brand new tires on this truck all the way around. You also can see, if you can see through there, we don't have any kind of rust or frame or oxidation. Also a nice shiny new rotor and thick brake pad. That's one thing we pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician who performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. I just wanted to kind of show you that right now, if we could. You can see here on the report, there you see all the tires are 15s. We also have all new brakes all the way around, front and rear. So brand new brakes, brand new rotors all the way around on the vehicle. Like I say, we do not skimp on the reconditioning. You can see we have a manual adjustment, 40/20/40 fold down split bench seat with a center console, vinyl floor on an otherwise gray on gray interior. As we continue to the back, you can see we do have the 5-inch flat door-to-door running boards there, step bars. And then you can see in the crew cab, very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room all the way around on this vehicle. Looks like we do have the longer box bed, which is nice. And again, you can see zero oxidation on the frame rail. Really looks good on that. We do have the splash guards also front and rear, as you can see, so it's well accessorized. Coming around to the back, you can see we do have the tow hitch with the integrated wiring. We do have the spray-in bed liner in the bed as well. Do have a rear view or sliding rear glass there also. Continue around to this side just to show you, like I say, no rust issues at all. Brand new spare under there to go along with all new tires. It's a clean interior. No rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. No smell of any kind of smoke odor. Manual adjustment on the driver's seat as well. We do always promise 2 keys. We do have keyless entry with the integrated key fob. We also have your power windows and your power locks located right here on the door. So got your headlamp controls there. And this is your dimmer for your interior. Your trip armor do have a button for your fog lights and your cargo light. Let's go ahead and put our foot in the brake. Let's go ahead and show you that there, like you said, it does have 42,686 original miles. And show you a copy of the Carfax here. You can see no accidents or damage, one owner, 12 service records. Good looking Carfax. Intermittent wiper washers are on the left stem, as well as your high beams and turn signals. It does have a column shift with the tow haul and the ability to select any of your gears here in the middle. We do have your Bluetooth and your volume controls on your steering wheel, as well as your cruise control. AM, FM satellite radio, single CD. Climate control is down here. We do have your electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case. It does have an aftermarket brake controller in here as well. There is a 12-volt power supply there. And we got a little under-seat storage underneath the center console as well. We got 2 LED map lights. No mirrored or illumination on the driver's visor. We do have a mirror here on the passenger side visor. So let's go ahead and take a peek. We do have a foot pedal, as you can see there, for your emergency brake. Hood release is right here. Does have the V8, as you can see, in this truck. And there you can see it's very clean and quiet. There's no exhaust leaks or fluid leaks, no corrosion on the electrical terminals. Well maintained by the previous owner, as evidenced by the 12 service records and 42,000 miles there on the Carfax. And shut off the truck here and get into the last portion of the video. And just to recap, one owner, no accident truck. All new tires and brakes all the way around and rotors. Last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic appearance. Just going to walk the truck, be your eyes and ears, show you any minor imperfections it may have. We'll show you it does have the in-channel vent visors there as well. Now there are a couple little blemishes I noticed on the truck going around it the first time. As you can see, most of them are isolated here to the bed and the bed sides. I mean, obviously people use trucks for work purposes. This is a standard series truck. It's got some scratches and dings there up by the bedside. A couple here just along the lip of the tailgate as well, as you can see. Just to show you. Tailgate looks good. Bumper, a little scuff there on the corner. And on this bedside as well, as you can see, we just got some chips and dings here across this bedside. We touched them up as best as we could, but like I say, that's all used trucks. You're going to have some damage there around the tailgate. It just kind of comes with the territory. People are using trucks to do some work, putting things in and out of the bed. Doors look good. No chip down there at the bottom of that one. Fender, just a couple little chips here by the emblem. A couple here by the lower bumper fascia. Across the front, pretty good shape. Couple little stone chips there. I'll just quickly pan across. Very common. And it has one dent right here on the hood that we touched up. A couple little stone chips across the hood as well. But all in all, guys, full-size crew cab truck with Bluetooth power options, tow package, satellite radio, keyless entry. Good equipment at the price for a crew cab full-size truck with 42,000 mile, one owner, clean Carfax. If you're interested, give us a call, 717-485-4224, hit option 1 for sales. Or you can come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania, or look us up online, www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.